Welcome back to Eats and Travels. We have a new video.
All right, so me and
time.
Damon are gonna be trying the Big Blue soda and giving our review on it. Again, this is the Big Blue. Y'all know y'all have Big Red, but this is Big Blue. So comment below if you've ever had the Big Blue. All right, Big Blue. Here we go. Have you ever had Big Blue? I don't know. I couldn't find it in the smaller bottles. So, y'all know Damon is always here. So, this is the Big Blue. This is a Family Dollar find. Now, they usually have it in smaller bottles, but I couldn't find the smaller bottles. So I'm gonna pour everybody up. So we're trying the Big Blue. They got Big Red, so they have Big Blue. So and we're gonna give our honest review. Give them on a napkin. So this is the Big Blue. Cheers, guys. All right. So here's us trying Big Blue. Tastes like a cream soda. Mm-hmm. It goes down very smooth.
That it does.
Goes down very smooth. It almost tastes like a cream, like not an orange cream, but the A&W cream. This is Big Blue. I would give it a rating of a 10 on the scale of 10 to 10. I would give it a 8.
Yeah, I think it'll taste better like
cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, Damon, what would you be your rating? So we trying the Big Blue.
I would give it about a 7.5. Probably with an 8 if it was chilled. That's good.
Yeah.
So, drink responsibly.
Yep, drink responsibly, guys. So we're gonna close that up. Put it in the fridge. So cheers, guys. Damon gave it, this is a Big Blue. Damon gave it a 7.5. I give it an 8. I think it's a good.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Until the next video, comment below if you would try this. This is Big Blue. Peace, love, and blessings.